Let me show you how to make these delicious smoked triple threat chicken wings just in time for the Super Bowl. All you need is Frank's Red Hot Original and Hughes Carolina Gold and original barbecue sauce. So let's get into it. Fun fact, last year Americans ate 1.42 billion chicken wings during Super Bowl. Let me show you how I make mine. I have about 2 dozen chicken wings in my smoker. They are lightly seasoned and don't they look delicious? But they're not the star of the show. It's the triple threat sauce that I'm gonna make in a little bit. So let's take them out of the smoker, and this is what they're going to look like. Let's start off by making our triple threat sauce. We're gonna use Hughes Carolina Gold, which is just like a sweet and tangy barbecue sauce, 3/4 of a cup. To that, we're gonna add Hughes sugar-free original barbecue sauce, about 3/4 of a cup. And last but not least, our Frank's Red Hot, 3/4 of a cup. Then we're going to whisk it. Next, we're gonna toss our chicken wings. Now look at those skills. The wings should be lightly coated, but not swimming in the sauce. We're gonna take our wings out to the grill and put a few grill marks on it. Now we don't want to burn the wings here, so we wanna keep them moving. Don't they look delicious? Next up, we are going to finally chop some fresh garlic to add to the top of our triple threat wings. These are my smoked triple threat wings. We're gonna add a little bit of minced garlic to it. Make sure that you like this video, that you share it with your friends, and click on that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thank you for joining me, and we'll see you next time.